everyone! How are you guys doing today? I am so excited to be here for the wrap-up party. I don't know why, but all morning long I kept feeling like it's Sunday, but it's Saturday. I just got a day of the week back. How are you guys all doing today? I am so excited to be giving away a spot in the Divine Feminine Creation. I am just so blown away by the participation of everybody here in the group, and some people who weren't even signed up for the challenge. We're still participating alongside, and so I am just so excited to just be here with you all and be honoring and celebrating those who are entered into the drawing. And I'm going to be doing the drawing live, so I don't even know the winner yet. So this is the first time I've ever done something like this where I draw the winner live. And so let's go ahead and touch base with some of the answers to yesterday's prompt while we wait for some people to pop on. If you're watching the replay, you can fast forward ahead for a couple of minutes. Find the spot where we start talking about the giveaway and all of that stuff. Let me see. Getting into the group right now on Facebook, waiting for some people to pop on. Okay, so day 5 was yesterday. Hey Amber, how's it going? So excited to see you on live with us, Amber. Okay, so some of the things that people posted in day 5, I'm gonna move over my phone so I can read it. Day 5 was all about taking action. And so one small step I'm taking is, and someone says, I'm gonna stop procrastinating and act on my intuitions, trusting myself. I love that. Somebody said, I'm going to start looking for the positive side of difficult situations and journal about it. Happy Saturday, Amber. Hey, Angel. I'm doing really great. Like I said, nobody was on here with me, but I don't know why, but I woke up feeling like it was Sunday. But it's actually Saturday. I'm so excited. One small step, I'm going to start looking at the good or positive things, especially in the hard times. Therapy. It's both a large and small step, many steps in the last 2 years. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Great participation. I'm so excited about everything that we've done in the group together. And so I just wanted to kind of go through the list of people who are eligible for the prize. And so to be eligible for the prize, you had to have signed up for the challenge and gotten at least a point. And so thanks for the hearts, guys. Oh my goodness. Hey, Sid. Okay. So we had 11 people who are eligible for the prize. Yes, the videos will stay up in the group. The bonus video has been gone since 24 hours after it was posted. But all of the rest of the videos live in the group, and actually they're even in the guides. So if you go to the main page of the group and you hit guides, you can rewatch them over and over. You can, get back in touch with them, because part of it is just like forgetting, right? We are on this manifestation journey, and then something happens and we're like, oh, and we forget. We forget that we're working on these things. We forget that we're doing these things. And so little tiny reminders are always good. You know what I did? When I was very first studying to be a coach, Amber says, what's the prize? I'm going to get into that, Amber. It's Divine Feminine Creation. It's a 3-part coaching series. So 3 sessions. Yeah, so anyway, at the beginning of my coaching journey, so this was like as I was studying to be a coach, as I was getting my certifications for my health coach and life coach, every day on the way to work, because I was still working at the restaurant doing accounting full time. So I would drive to and from work every day. I would listen to The Secret on Audible. every single day. And what I found is like, it really put me in that mindset. It reminded me day in and day out to remember to be joyful, to remember to be grateful, to remember to put myself in alignment with the dreams, which was to be a coach, right? And so Angelica says, awesome, because I need to take notes. 100%. Yeah, you can feel free to watch them over and over and over. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just going to read off the points that you guys have. I'm just going to talk about everybody who's eligible to win. I'm going to tell the points, but we're not going to get into the drawing for a little bit. So Angel, you have 68 points. Kat has 36. Paige has 36 points. Sid has 26 points. Aisha has 21 points. Jennifer has 15 points. Stacy has 11 points. I'm glad you found us, Paige. Amber has 9 points. Megan has 9 points. Christy has 6 points. And Sophia has 2 points. And so I'm really excited, guys. I'm going to talk all about like how we're going to do this drawing. Like I said already, I do not even know the winner yet. I'm going to be doing this live with you all. So Amber asked a really great question. She says, what's the prize? So, well, first off, let me tell you a little bit more about me. Most of you already know me, but just in case you don't know about my background, here's a little bit more about me. My name is Sunny Sink. I am a certified health and life coach. Not only am I certified, but I have mastery certifications. So I've taken multiple years of training for my coaching. And I've been a coach for 4 years now, and am really excited to be offering the Divine Feminine Creation to you all. It's such a unique program, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it. I created this program really to help women get in touch with themselves, to get in touch with their intuition, and to really start creating from a place of abundance instead of feeling like they have to push, feeling like that they have to create from this place of fear or scarcity or anxiety, right? And so that's really the goal that I had for this program. It has 3 sessions. They're intuitive sessions. So these are not sessions where I just kind of tell you what you need to do or anything like that. We intuitively explore different parts of, and I'll kind of go through the topics. So we might be doing some womb sessions, some womb exploration. We might be doing some other chakra exploration. We may be doing inner wisdom or intuition exploration, connecting with ancestors, connecting with the Divine Mother. And this is all, I lead it, but it all comes from you. It all comes from you. It's such a unique, beautiful program, and I'm so excited to be offering it. So session number 1, Amber says, I want to win. Session number 1 is exploring your intuition. So we really look at how do you receive messages and what do you need to do to intensify your powers. We also, in this session, clear blocks to your inner wisdom. And so a really great starting point, I think, for the 3-week sessions. These sessions will be 1 per week. So you will have a one-on-one session with me for 3 weeks. I prefer to do like same day, same time. But we could work with whatever schedule you have. Angelica says, I want to win so bad, but good luck to everyone. Angelica, you have the most points. Statistically, you could definitely win. Okay, session 2, connect with the ancestors and spirit team to help you align your energy with love. We're going to clear negative energy and change your vibration to really help you become a master manifester. Session number 3 is the Divine Feminine Activation. In this, we're going to unlock your creative power and feel yourself being held by the Divine Mother. And so this is all about surrender. It's all about unlocking your creative power and connecting with the divine feminine. So this program, what you're really going to do is learn how to get the answers that you need from within. You're going to clear negative energy and blocks to manifestation. And you're going to feel deep trust and love for the universe. And so I'm so curious, in this program, what sticks out to you the most? Like, what part of this would you like the most? I really believe that this program is worth $1,000, maybe even more. And in fact, my coach, when we were really going through what I wanted to get out of these sessions and exactly how I wanted to structure them and so on and so forth, she said, Cindy, this is worth like $1,500. I'm like, I know, it's amazing. It's so transformative. But I'm going to be giving this away for only members of the group for $250 for only a limited time. And then I will be raising the price. So we have a really great opportunity right now to jump into this right at the end of this challenge, right when you are in the midst of really learning your manifestation powers and tuning into them and building on them. And this is just a really great next step for everybody. How to choose. Yeah. What resonates the most? So this is a brand new program. I've not gotten any feedback on it. I would love to hear, like, in all of these things that I'm offering, what resonates the most, what feels the most amazing. Okay. So while you guys are typing into the comments, what's the most exciting about this for you? I will tell you how this giveaway is going to work. Oh, and by the way, I did put my Venmo and my PayPal up in the box above. So if you do not win and you want to take place in this and you want to grab a spot in this program, feel free to send over the $250 and I will get in touch with you and start scheduling. Okay, so for the giveaway, like I said, there's 11 people who are eligible to win, and here's how it's going to go. So I have assigned you points or numbers based on how many points that you have. So for example, Angel has 68 points and she's at the top of the list. I actually just made the list based on who had the most points. So Angel had the most points, and so her numbers will be numbers 1 through 68. So I'm going to tell you all what your numbers are, and then we're going to use a random number generator, and whoever's number it lands on is going to win the free program. Amber says the most exciting is the trust and love in the universe. I know, session 3. I'm so obsessed. Sid says connecting with our intuitive powers resonates the most for me. Yep. I'm really hoping that session helps to strengthen the connection with your intuition. So excited about that. Okay. So let me read off the numbers that each person has. Angelica, connecting with our intuitive powers. Okay, so Angel, 1 to 68. Kat, your numbers are 69 to 104. Paige, your numbers are 105 to 140. Sid, your numbers are 141 to 166. Aisha, your numbers are 167 to 187. Jennifer, 188 to 202. Stacy, 203 to 213. Amber, 214 to 222. Let me tell you what, guys, 222 comes up for me all the time lately. I see it everywhere. Okay, Megan, 223 to 231. Christy, 232 to 237. And last but not least is Sophia with numbers 238 and 239. I love that. You put your numbers in the comments, Amber. I love that. Okay. So I actually, before I jumped on here, I tested whether or not I could be doing a live video on my phone and turn the phone around to the other camera. And I was able to do it on my own personal timeline. I did like an only me, sort of like a private video, and tested it, and it worked. So let's see if it works here. I've got a random number generator up on my computer right now. Oh, there's the ring light. Sorry about that, guys. Did it blind you? Okay. So what I did so far is I pulled up a random number generator. I put in the minimum number, I can't find my mouse. I can't find my, there we go. I put in the minimum number as 1 and the maximum number as 239. So I'm going to click on generate and we will see who wins. Who's excited? I'm so excited, seriously. Okay, let's do it. And then it doesn't work. Da-da-da! 105. Let's see who that is. Paige! Paige, you won! Yay! I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. Anyway, you guys are all winners. You guys did amazing work. You guys dug real deep. You guys caught the videos. You participated in the questions. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to do your wrap-up questions. It's mostly about like, what's next? What support do you need? How would you like to feel moving forward? What support do you need to reach your goals and things like that? So anyway, I have had so much fun with this. I hope that you all join me in the Divine Feminine Creation. Stay tuned for more offerings. I'm definitely thinking about some group programs and things like that as well. So, you know, stay connected. Let me know what topic you guys want to talk about next in the group. I think we did a really good deep dive on manifestation. Is there anything else you want to learn? Is there anything else you want to talk about? Put that stuff in the group. You know, like, start conversations, start talking about the things that interest you and the things that you're thinking about. And I do have a little mini announcement. I have a list of like 6 people who've signed up for card readings. So I will be getting those out this coming week. I didn't have time to work on them this week with the challenge, but I will go ahead and get those out next week. On Tuesday, I'm going to be posting another Tarot Tuesday and moving to a system that to do the three card readings will be by donation. The 6 that I have those are free. But moving forward next week, the readings will be by donation, and I'm so excited to be offering those for you guys. I've gotten great feedback, and if you have gotten a reading like that from me, please feel free to write like a little mini review. I would really appreciate it so much, and it would help others know, you know, what sort of benefits you've received from your readings. Anyway, Paige, I will be reaching out to you. Congratulations, I'm so excited, and I will see you guys all soon. I'm not going to be doing a video tomorrow, but starting next week, Sunday, I will be doing weekly videos, so stay tuned for those events to be popping up, and let me know if there's any topics you want me to cover. Bye, guys! Oh, thanks, Amber! I decided to go a little bit crazy today with the blue. Bye, guys!